What do you want to do today?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
There's not much to do.
No, it's really not.
Hey, don't we do a 4-H'er that has a farm?
Yeah, we do.
What's her name? Sophia.
Yeah, Sophia.
She has goats, doesn't she?
Yeah, she does have goats.
And chickens. I think that'd be a fun thing to do today.
Yeah, I do too.
Hey, I'll race you there. Last one there's a rotten egg.
Today we are here with Sophia, and Sophia has a goat. Tell us about your goat, Sophia.
So this goat is Lola. She is a Nubian. She is about 10 weeks old.
And she is super adorable. So what are these goats used for?
Nubians are used for dairy, so they produce milk that you can drink or make cheese, or you can even use it to make soap.
Oh, really? So is this about how big she will get?
Probably, yes.
And I heard you saying something earlier about their beards. What was that?
Both boys and girl goats can have beards.
All right, is it okay if you show us around at some other goats that you have here? Awesome. All right, Sophia, I noticed how some of these goats have really long ears and some of them have really short ears. Can you tell us more about that?
So they are two different breeds. The Nubians have the long pendulum ears, and these are La Manchas. So they're born with these ears. So they just stay short always, and then when you breed one from each breed, you get ears that are in between.
Alright. Like this guy right here.
Yes. So they kind of stick off a little bit, and then they've got the little flap. The Nubians. Well, other goats have ears that kind of stick up off of their heads and to the side.
Well, as you can see, they're obviously eating my hair. So can you tell me more about their teeth?
So goats only have front teeth on the bottoms, so they can get their grass and all, and then they have teeth on tops and bottoms at the back, so that they can chew up the leaves and grass that they eat. Usually, goats are browsers. Sheep are grazers, so they eat from the ground. The goats like the stuff in the trees.
That's awesome. All right, thank you, Sophia.
See it, fine.
So this is one of our guardian livestock dogs. They are different than herd dogs. Herd dogs will round up your animals and move them around together. Guardian livestock dogs are here for protection for goats. The boys will go and deal with anything that's causing trouble or could hurt their goats or whatever animals that they are protecting, or even people. The girls will round up the goats and protect them. Buford is half and half, no, 75% Great Pyrenees and 25% Anatolian Shepherd. So there are two breeds. By mixing in the Anatolian Shepherd, they have shorter fur and they will be slightly more aggressive. The Pyrenees reduces some of the aggressiveness and gets them to be more laid back, and so they still have thicker fur. Pyrenees also have these two dew claws in the back, the two extra claws. Those help them maintain balance in snow or climbing, so that's unique to the Pyrenees.
That is really cool.
So they lay around, guard the goats. Buford likes baby animals. They can jump all over his face and back and use him as a trampoline, and he just lays there.
All right, we're back, and this time we have chickens. And Sophia, they look a little different. This one doesn't have any feathers on its neck. Can you tell me why?
So this is a naked neck. They are born without feathers on their neck. Sometimes you have to watch it because they could get sunburned. But other than that, they're perfectly normal chickens. They are very sweet. One of our favorite roosters ever was a naked neck. This is Corabelle. She is a white Cochin chicken. So she's going to have feathers on her feet. Not all chickens do, only certain breeds. And then she's fluffier as well.
Okay, Sophia. So can you tell me the difference in a hen and a rooster?
Yes, so the roosters are going to have bigger combs and wattles than the hens. They will get spurs on the back of their legs that they can use in fighting and protecting the hens.
So Sophia, which one of these birds will be the ones to lay the egg?
As for her as a hen, she would be the one to lay eggs. The eggs can be all different colors. You can tell what color eggs the chicken will lay by looking at their earlobe right here. This breed would lay one of the blue eggs. So we have a variety of chickens so that we have a bunch of different colors of eggs.
Now, are they all the same on the inside even though they're different on the outside?
Yes, they are.
That just means I'll have to share battery with you. Sacrifice.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. It's great to see y'all again. Today's activity, we're going to be making a pig. So first, you need your tissue box, 2 toilet paper rolls, 1 pipe cleaner, scissors, tape or glue, whichever one you prefer, pencils, Sharpie, and markers, and construction paper. Alright, so the first step of making our pig, which is a tissue box, so you can use tissues, and then you can use it as a piggy bank as well. So, your first step is going to be placing the box down like this. You want to get your pencil, and you want to trace all the way around the box. You should have a perfect square just like that. So whenever you're done, you're going to cut those squares out and glue them to the side, each side of the box, except for the top of the box. We'll get back to that. So go ahead and get started on that. All right, guys. So once you have all of your pieces cut out, you're going to find the side that the piece would fit on. So obviously that one's not going to go on this one. It's going to be a bottom piece. So we're going to find the piece that fits, just like that. So you can use your glue, and you can glue it around for a good stick, or if you like tape better, you can fold those pieces double-sided to hold it on. Just like that. All right. So, before you glue your top piece on, this is how you open the box. You want to take this piece and trace it on the square, so you will be able to get into your box. All right, go ahead with that step. All right, so your box should be covered with pink paper by now, just like this. So on our top, I placed this face down and traced it. And then I cut it. And it's okay if you cut it because we have tape, so we can fix that. So once you get that piece out, you're going to place it on the top just like that. So you are able to get into your tissue. All right, this is the part where you get to get creative. So, we're going to make the pig's head. And you get to choose what size you want it to be. So, I decided to make mine a little bit bigger. So you're going to lay a flat bowl or cup or something circular down flat and trace it all the way around. So you should have a perfect circle just like that. And then you're going to cut it out. Alright, so I have my pig's head right here. Now I need to give it his ears. So that is a triangle. So we're going to make 2 triangles on our paper to make its ears. And it's okay if your triangles look a little silly because that's what the pig's ears look like. Once you have your 2 triangles, you're going to tape them or glue them just like this to the back of the pig's head. Just like that. All right, now it's time to make the face. So you can draw 2 eyes and its snout. If you would prefer to add more construction paper to make the snout, that is okay. But if you want to just draw a circle, that is okay too. Alright, so you can decorate your pig any way you want to and give it any kind of personality. I gave mine freckles and I gave her eyelashes. So then you're going to tape your pig's head just like this onto your box with the hole facing the top. All right, our pig is looking pretty good. All right, so now you have your toilet paper holders. So you might be wondering, what are we gonna do with these? Well, what are we missing? Of course, their feet. So you're going to get your toilet paper holder and cut it in half. Now maybe you have a pink crayon or a pink marker. You're just going to get that and you can color those in pink. Now if you don't feel like coloring them in, it's okay because maybe you can pretend that they were just playing in the mud. So you're going to tape or glue those down just like this so your pig has feet. All right, so you should have your pig with his or her little feet, just like that. All right, now you should have a pipe cleaner in your bag also. This is the very last step before you finish. This is going to be the tail. So you want to fold it in half just like I did here. Now you may need help with it from a parent, so ask if you need to, but you're going to try to poke a hole right through that box. So if you need to use a pencil, you can. So poke the hole right through that box. And you're gonna put the folded in inside. Just like that. and you can twist the tail. Just like that. All right. I can't wait to see what your pig looks like. Have a great day.